record. This one's still recording. But I'll stop it and start it again so I know where the clip is. Oh, that one's still recording too. I think it was recording since we stopped earlier. Like at that first parking lot. So I might have some stuff to delete there. Okay. Recording. Recording. Screen off. Recording. Recording. I think they're all recording. Let's see. Oh, the screen needs to go off. Yep. Okay, I'm recording on all cameras. Oh wait, hat cam. Always forget the hat cam. There we go. Recording. Okay, let's go. You go first. Because I'm going to swing this around. Oh, you want to turn my rearmost one like with the sideways, but with the scratch face towards away from the water. So the inside one towards the right, yeah.
Away from the water?
Yeah.
So
there.
mic down.
I don't know about the mic, but what used to be faced towards me should be faced that way now.
I think I got it the way you want it.
Cool. I wanted you to take the lens that was pointed forward and point it that way.
The one with the screen on it is pointing this way.
Well, I don't know about the screen or the microphone. All I know is that I had the scratch lens pointed towards me, and I want it that way.
I can't tell which one's the scratch.
Right, but it was the one pointed towards me.
Yeah, I can't remember which one that was.
That's okay, don't worry about it. It is what it is. I've got a whole other 360 camera. And the Ace Pro. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going? You like my bag?
That's nice.
Hands free. Got all the angles covered. Check out my YouTube channel. Foghorn. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to see a whole heck of a lot, but it'll still be cool. And at least we get a break from that heat, right?
Yeah.
Whew, that was brutal. Oh, and we get to go through a tunnel. Oh, through a tunnel and over a foot suspension bridge, high above the water. Then we get to walk around the lighthouse. So, you know, it's cool. I'm very gratified with the number of people that I've delighted with my backpack. Because that was kind of part of the idea.
Great way to meet people.
Exactly. It's like if I'm just some schlep there with one camera, it's like, are you even like serious about this?
Yeah.
This looks like I'm doing something, you know? Like, one lady even asked, am I making a film? Like,
Yeah.
is this filmmaking? Am I making a movie? Nope, just a YouTube channel.
Can't wait till your first. Thank you for your service.
Point Bonita. That means pretty point, right?
Yeah.
Muy bonita. Yes, it seems like about 2 hoodies is the right amount for this weather. Well, a hoodie and a sweater. I think it wants to communicate. Ace Ventura, Pet Detective.
I think it wants to communicate.
I think it wants to communicate. It was like someone was honking their horn at him because he was blocking traffic. I think it wants to communicate. And maybe it was the mask, come to think of it. And he's like, "Auga!" and the whole window shatter on the car. Yeah. I knew it was Jim Carrey, though.
That'd be a fantasy comedy.
Yeah. Well, did you know that's Loki in The Mask? So technically it's modern mythology. El Pacifico Grande, which we could not see under the sea of fog, but now we can.
The one that we're on, or like where we start. Oh, past.
Here,
I can't take it anymore, David.
don't do it.
No.
Leave your cameras.
Leave the cameras. Oh, it's fine if you want to jump, but can I have your cameras if you go? You don't need them where you're going.
It's so funny to watch the people, especially from the distance. Watch the people looking at your bag as they walk by.
Yeah, try and figure it out,
in
the
a way
looks on their
where
faces.
Don't want you to know that they're looking.
Oh yeah, but good thing I have you spotting for me.
Yeah, I've got it on film.
Yeah.
All these like the side
Oh, I should bring over my 4 terabyte drive and you could give me your Go footage.
Yeah.
At least, if not the GoPro, if not your interview footage, because I got that myself, but I don't have your hat cam footage from the sightseeing,
Right.
you know? And as I'm probably in some of it, I probably want a copy of it for my channel, so people see what I look like,
Here's the tunnel.
see how ugly I am. Well, the view would be much better without the fog, but hey, we're here.
Okay. You gotta honk your horn before you go in.
Meep, meep.
You're gonna hit the top.
Oh, thank you. You want to lower it down for me? Thank you.
Wait. Yeah, that would be.
That would be bad.
Yeah.
Don't cross the streams, Ray.
You're getting pretty close.
Don't cross the streams, Ray. I thought you said don't cross the streams.
That would be bad.
That would be bad. I thought you said don't cross the streams. Okay, we made it. Ooh. Lost my mic. Let's pull over. Let's pull over.
It kind of nicked the top here, but it's okay.
As long as it's not the lens, I don't care.
I don't think it got the lens. Now, I want to see which one is the... Okay, I think it's the other one. Pretty sure we have the...
It's fine, don't worry about it. You want to extend me a little bit, maybe?
There.
Okay.
And then your other one.
If you like.
Okay.
Okay. What about the Ace Pro angle? Does it? Oops. Does it look okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Hope I didn't get another scratch just now.
I can see it.
Okay.
We have to go back that way, right?
Yeah.
Hi, what is that?
It's a hands-free camera backpack,
Oh.
so I can do filming. Yes, for YouTube channel.
Oh.
My channel. Yeah. Excuse me. What is that? I want to hurry so I got some battery left in my cameras
For the lighthouse?
for the lighthouse, yeah, and the suspension bridge.
Don't turn to the left abruptly.
Okay. Yeah. We're almost there. There's the bridge. Pedestrian bridge. Pretty cool. Suspension bridge. Howdy. Do not climb. You will die. So I'm gonna stop up here and make sure one of my cameras is still going. Excuse me. It's delightful, it's delicious. It's lovely. It's delightful. It's lovely.
Yeah, we do have a line kind of forming like this.
Okay, that one's still going. That one was going, but I'll start a new clip. Okay. That screen should go off by itself. This one's got to be shut off. This one is still going. Okay, I think we're good. Red, 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 and red. They're all going. Oh, we got to get in line though. You guys all together? My batteries are gonna run out.
You barely made it under that.
Yeah, thanks. I'm gonna get this on my cameras.
You know which ocean
Oh,
is
he
that?
wants to fall.
Actually, I could probably stop it here and start them again when we get up to the go point. Just the three main ones. Save the battery. 1, 2, 3, bing, bing, bing. 'Cause it's gonna be a minute. Better in standby then.
Just so everybody knows, we do close at 3:30, so I'm encouraging everyone to go over and take your pictures and then cycle through so that everybody in line gets a chance to get over there. This always happens on busy days where there's people waiting in line and they don't get to go over because of our do close at 3:30. So, fingers crossed we're all going to make it. We'll all make it if we all move quick.
Take a look.
Sounds like a plan. And we got our free air conditioning going for everyone that came down.
Woohoo!
115 degrees. Who came from a heat wave? 115 in Sac, I heard. So I'm here in
Well, it was
jacket and gloves. I've been here in the breeze all day, so I'm actually getting chilly.
Here come some people.
Perfect night to be right.
We should be pretty quick. I think we'll make it out before 3:30.
No, I only start with a person.
Here comes a group of 15.
It's usually open when we don't have crowds like this. So
Is he counting them? Oh, maybe there's someone counting at the other end of the radio. And he's down a little.
even though Saturdays are not like this, but it's just a busy day.
Whew. Well, hopefully one of these three cameras will still have some juice by the time we get to the front of the line. Or preferably one of the two 360 cameras. No, I turned the recording off of all three of the main cameras
Oh, but these are
and put them in standby. Yeah, these are still going because I don't care about them as much. But these are in standby while we're in line. Hopefully one of them will have some juice when we get to the front of the line. Go, we're moving.
Hey, guys.
Swing around here. Outside. For me, the highlight of coming out here is walking on the suspension bridge. Lighthouses are cool and all, but you get to walk above the water on a bridge that sways. So,
Patrick Swayze.
yeah, it's Patrick Swayze Bridge. It's so Swayze, it's Patrick Swayze. Oh. Stay. Uh-oh, something. One of my ghosts just died. What about the lower one? Red?
Yep.
What about over here? Oh wait, maybe one of my big ones auto-slept.
Yeah.
That's probably what happened.
They're still going.
Yeah. I think one of the big ones went to sleep instead of being in standby because it's got a setting for auto-sleep, you know. That's okay, I can turn it back on. Because I think we're not gonna be in the next batch.
Probably not.
So I'll wait until we're closer back on.
There's a ship down here blowing his foghorn, and the bridge is blowing the foghorn. You can hear both of them now. The fog is getting thicker as the day goes. I thought it might burn off, but no luck today.
Yeah, we might want to come back and do the headlands tomorrow if the fog's better tomorrow.
Yes, yeah, I know, right? People are like, where's the bridge? I'm like, it's that way. People come in August and they're like, we're going to see the bridge later today. I'm like, we'll see the bridge in September. August is no chance of clearing.
Feel sorry for people who look forward to seeing the bridge and they come here from halfway around the world and then it's all fogged in. But, you know,
But that's what makes it even more special.
I guess.
Like, it's like economics, right? Like,
Yeah.
something's more valuable the more rare it is.
That's what they say about, you know, the shortness of our lifespans. It's like the silver lining is it makes time more precious. But, I don't know. Oh, see, here comes a big group. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we'll be in the next batch after that, probably. Unless they say, no more, it's 3:30, go home. It's only 3:09 now, so.
Oh, make sure you expect to get scared.
Come on, kids. Oh, they're taking a picture.
We do close at 3:30, so the best chance for everybody to see the lighthouse is for people to
Move it through quickly.
When you get over there, if you can get your pictures and keep moving, just so everyone else can get
Well, I don't have to stop and take pictures, I'm filming.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, what's going on with my hat cam here? Oh, still recording.
Is that 15 on?
How many's in your group?
Hold on, here we go, here we go. I think that's the one that auto slept. This one's still alive. Recording. Recording.
Oh, good. So as soon as this group crosses, the next group of 15 is going. So.
This one auto slept too.
I got everyone across. I think it's gonna
Uh-oh. I think the Ace Pro might be dead.
Battery?
Yeah, but 360s are going.
on these kind of days.
And the goes are going. It is what it is.
Did you make it? Okay, good.
But I got a spare bet. Oh, there it goes. I just wasn't maybe pushing the button right. What do we got?
Okay,
Oh,
another group of 15.
looks like we got it.
Alright.
It's going.
Jump for your back.
You want to maybe lower it down a little?
13. How many's in your group?
Two.
Two. Okay, you guys can go.
Great.
Whatever number we need it to be.
Yeah. And we'll wait right there.
Ooh, you feel that? Woo! first.
Cool.
Point Bonita Lighthouse. Sucked in by fog. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
We've seen some stuff today.
Can you go close? They closed it?
Lighthouse keeper.
I could do a little lighthouse keeping. I don't do windows though. Oh, sorry,
Go
sorry.
ahead.
Watch your head.
Yeah. Hey, stay there, like I said. Deadly. Well, there's this, that's why they made Alcatraz way.
Go behind me and then face the camera with the bridge behind you.
I mean, that's he's saying how, like, our coastline is so nice. It's like deadly. That's why they made Alcatraz. Right? Because they,
Okay,
Alright, Mom, should we go back now?
cool.
we are waiting in line.
I think we're waiting in line to go back. We came, we saw, we filmed,
We kicked ass.
we walked the bridge, even though my heart skipped a beat.
Did it?
Yeah, because, you know, it's going to break at some point, right? Unless they shut it down and rebuild it before it gets to that point.
It's possible.
But yeah, can you imagine having your job be out here? Like out here, man, the lighthouse. On the edge of the earth. Yeah, we might as well get back. That way I can get the bridge going in both directions before my cameras die. Plus, we want to let everybody else see the lighthouse.
Great.
Oh, I see. They're letting a group across. Then we'll go next. If there's no more than 15. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, looks like we might make it. Hard to see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. No, we might not. But that's okay. We're at the front of the line and we'll get some good footage of the bridge.
Yeah, there you go.
People coming across it and stuff.
I think it was a little for you.
Yeah. Try to tell us to move fast. Come, let's take a picture.
We got here just in the nick of time.
I think so.
And we didn't even really plan it that way. It worked out.
Just get in line.
Just get in line. Are you a fireman?
No,
No?
just went on a race and gave out the shirts.
Okay.
This way?
Supported the fire.
Right on.
Watch your tail.
Watch my tail.
How many? Yeah, okay, you guys. 8 of you. Are you all together right now?
We're two. We're two. We're
Okay,
two.
perfect. So that's already 16 and we're trying to 15.
Yeah,
for
okay,
the-
well, there's 2 of these
So
are
you'll be-
kids, so.
So, okay,
Probably
you
good.
2 can go.
Oh, we can?
You 2 can go. Yeah, so that is for the bridge safety, so we'll stop
What's the
it right
maximum?
Here. It's weight-wise, and wow, this is some rig. That's
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna put that in the clip. Wow, this is some rig. In her uniform. And that's why I have the Go Cam, because that was pointed right
They
at
told
her.
us to go fast, but now we have to wait in line.
Okay, after this group.
She said do your sightseeing fast, and then get in line.
Okay.
Ugh.
So you can wait.
Yeah.
I guess if there's 15 in line,
But
take
it
time,
seems
right?
like they need to be emptying some of these people off to let more people on.
There's a line on the other side. I'm trying to get everybody over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much for your patience. Over at
Wow.
Woo! Am I number 1,000? Do I win a prize?
No, you are past 1,000.
Ah. No stopping on the bridge. That's what the lady said.
That was the last one. Full time.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's good. I'll get a shot of you without people behind you.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my channel back.
Woo! Woo! Holy crap!
Good thing we got that stability on.
Hey, Gary, don't look down. I'm serious. Don't do it. You'll regret it. You're afraid of heights. Do not look down. Woo! We made it. Be my spotter behind me.
Okay, turn around. Gonna hit the ranger.
Yeah. We're off. We're off. Yeah, you won't get stuck out there. And I think you'll make it if you go now.
Got it.
It's a cool rock. Go ahead.
You guys go ahead. Go ahead. Go for it.
This is a good spot right here because you can see the suspension bridge from the side.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get a little shot of you.
Look at those waves and rocks up there.
We should have some bloody spectacular footage today, man.
I know. You're not fighting.
If I'm wrong, I'm a dung pooch. I'll be a bloody dung pooch. Look at that boat out there. Woo. Excuse us.
You missed the bloody exit, you dumb.
Here's the shot. Face me and my Ace Pro with the camera over there.
That's a nice.
It's a nice. Worth it. This whole day has been worth it.
Yeah.
Get some authentic San Francisco foghorn in your video.
Yeah, I should have brought the zoom light.
Well, you can always add that in post because I'm sure there's recordings of it.
Yeah. Would be the same.
They wouldn't know the difference.
I would.
Yeah, but that's what I was watching all the videographers, they say. When you have diegetic noise and stuff, it's better just to do that stuff in post because it's more effective
Yeah.
than the version that you record on the street.
Right.
So like, you know, like, or slam, or whatever. It just gives it more immediacy, more pop, yeah, more bang, more impact,
Energy,
more energy.
attitude.
Oh, let's see if we can get this tunnel going the other way before my cameras die. Is my Ace Pro still recording?
Yes.
Okay, let's do the tunnel with the Ace Pro. In fact, you should probably go in front of me because one of my main cameras is pointed forward.
Okay.
Unless I wanted a tunnel shot, but that's okay. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have to.
Yeah, lower me down as low as you can for everything.
I think you're fine with that.
I'll lower myself. I'll slouch a little. How's that?
Yeah.
I just took them in my elbows a little, my biceps.
Dale.
Dale, Dale. Daylight come on, me want go home. He'll stay there, he'll stay there, he'll stay there. Oh, I hear something beeping. I think we're done. On something or other. See, look, it's closed. Closed going that way. No more people.
Right.
So we made it just in time.
Yep.
Tapier did not make it. That's okay.
Whoa, that was close.
Yeah.
Still low. Just know that.
You want to raise me up if any of them are still going?
I can't tell if it's still going.
Ace Pro?
No, that one's not. I don't think that.
Oh, you wouldn't
it
know.
is going.
You wouldn't really know from that.
I think it is going.
Don't worry about it. If it is, it is.
I think it is.
If it is, it is. If it ain't, it ain't. I don't really care.
The rudder one is going.
My rudder. I'm gonna have to call that my rudder cam. Hi. It's my mast and my rudder. And my port and my starboard.
Yeah.
My hat cam. And my ace up my sleeve. Got an ace up my sleeve.
Ace in the hole.
Got an Ace Pro in my hole. Something in the hole. Not in my hole.
Got to have an ace in the hole.
Oh, golly. Here's another bridge. Of a sort. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. What do you? It's closed, yeah. No more. Tunnel's closed. You can't get through the tunnel.
Yeah.
Tunnel closed. They've already closed the tunnel. Okay, just letting you know. Yeah. What? What? He wants us? Oh, maybe he's beckoning people? And what? Us? Let's find out. Hey, I think he was talking to those people.
Oh, okay.
No, the whole time you're walking, he's pointing to you.
Oh, really? Did I drop something? A microphone?
Drop something.
Did I lose a microphone?
I don't know.
You see mics on both of those?
I see 3 mics.
360 cameras? Oh yeah, 3 mics, yeah. Well, let's go see what he wants. Maybe he does want to talk to us.
What's more of those songs?
Was he hollering for me?
Yes, he was.
What did he want?
I don't know.
What was it? What did I leave? A what? A bike? A mic? Like a microphone? Are you saying bike or mic? I don't know. We'll see in a second. Mike? Oh,
Missing here?
nope. No, I'm not losing a mic. I'm not missing a mic. I got all 3 of them. So,
Okay.
what is it?
Is that a bicycle?
Not my bike.
Bicycle.
Someone left a bike. I thought he said mic, but I've got all my mics. And I did not bring a bike. So, it's not us that he wants.
Maybe he said that he was going to give us a light.
No, he said it was a bike. I said, are you saying bike or mic?
Right.
Someone left a bicycle, apparently.
It's an Asian gentleman. I saw him.
Okay, well, it's not ours, so he thought it might have been ours for some reason. I don't know why. But that's okay. Because we'll get some more footage of this. Right? A little bit of,
I think my hat's still going.
could be. Oh yeah, your LED doesn't tell. Let's see if my hat's going.
Oh, batteries.
Oh, my hat's still going. 34 minutes though. It's gonna die in the next 6 minutes. I think this will be about perfect for the batteries. They're gonna die when about we get back, you know?
Yeah.
Well, I can change it. Oh, shit. Huh.
Yeah, the New Orleans Pelicans. Yeah, about like that.
Spot behind me. Like, am I gonna hit anything? Okay. You be the eyes in the back of my head.
You got like 2 minutes before you do it.
Okay, good. Because I want to get you with the rocks behind you. And the water.
So like 20 seconds.
Okay, that's good. Just come on. Okay,
All right, now you're gonna start.
let's go.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
I'm proud of it. It's a work of pure genius, man. You're all jealous. You know?
That's what I call a multicam.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, and I also have like tripods and sticks in the bag so that if I want to set them up and spread them out, I can do that too. But it's also not necessary to do that. Maybe if I put a hat cam on my interlocutor, they're looking at me, I'm looking at them. 360 cam. Oh my God, it's a hill. Yes, if I can carry this thing with the stuff we've been doing for the past week, I can carry it anywhere.
Yeah.
Went to the top of Mt Tam, for goodness sake. Oh. Might want to stop and catch my breath and turn the cameras off at some point.
How about it? This turn.
Maybe up here, yeah. Because the best part is over. Place to pull off here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You even use this if you want to.
It's all right. It's not really wide enough. Oof. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't even want to be on camera. I'm all sweaty.
Yeah.
But we're gonna stop that. And stop that. Oh yeah, we are very dead here. No, turn off. There you go. Oh, this one's very dead too. This one just turned off on its own. This one's still recording. Okay. Off. And stop recording, stop recording. Off. And stop recording. Off. And antenna's down. And we're good. All cameras are off except my hat cam. Oh wait, that's about to die too. Might as well just stop it then.
Don't stop till you get enough.
Catch my breath here. So might as well do this while I'm catching my breath. Wow. Gotta watch that. That's a lot. Not because I'm expecting to get because I don't like having an empty outfit.
Okay, that's bad. No.
On. You know what? Might as well just record. Okay. Caught my breath. Wipe some of the sweat off. All cameras off but the hat cam. Yeah, let's go. Successful. All three of the main cams were going for that whole thing. And I haven't even changed the battery yet. So that means we could theoretically go knock out the last interviews, you know, at well, it's probably 4:20 now, or it will be. I stress theoretically. I'm not saying we should do it or anything, but I could. Go. We could do as much filming as I've done already. I could do that much again, at least with the main cams. I don't know how the goes are doing. What I like about having so many goes is I don't have to have them all running at the same time. If I know I'm going to be out for longer, I can just like do 2 at a time, you know, or 3 at a time. Or if I'm going to be out a short time, I can just do all 6. Or 5 anyway. The 4 on my bag and 1 on my hat. And a spare one for the hat when it runs dry. I found the one that was whiting out the videos. It was one of the Go cams. It was on manual. I put it back in auto. Hopefully that fixed it. Turned it on, it was all whitewashed out. I'm like, ah, yeah, you're the motherfucker. Hello. Whew. Sounds like a tuba, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Trombone, maybe.
That's where they got the bouquet. All right, we made it. Car's right over there. Restroom if you need it. Uh-oh, something just died. Oh, wait. Nothing should die because nothing's on.
Driver's front.
Oh, it should have been off already. But it probably just ran out of juice. The red dot means charging.